Welcome to the section on flexible spending accounts. A flexible spending account is a tool for you to help pay for eligible healthcare expenses with pre-tax dollars. Eligible healthcare expenses are anything from your co-pays that you pay, your deductible amounts, dental care, over-the-counter prescriptions, eye care, anything that's an eligible healthcare expense can be paid for with flexible spending account dollars. This year we have a new provider called Task. They will be handling the administrative part of our FSA program. The way that you're going to work the program is you're going to decide how much to set aside per year, and the way you're going to want to do that is you're going to look to last year to see how much did you spend. You can go to Aetna.com and look at the navigator. It will tell you, once you log in, it will tell you how much you spent last year, as well as you're going to want to consider what do you have up and coming for the next year. Are you planning to have a surgery, or are you not going to have something that you had last year? So you're going to want to do a comparison of last year to this year and what you might be expecting to pay, including any dental work that you might be planning to do. So once you determine the amount, that amount will come out of your paycheck evenly throughout the year, pre-tax. So you don't have to do anything to administer the program other than to sign up for it and specify the amount of money that you want to put aside, and it will be coming out of your paycheck pre-tax. The plan year runs from July 1st, 2009 through June 30th, 2010. So you want to keep that in mind. Flexible spending matches our plan year for health care. One way that you can use your flexible spending dollars is you will be getting a debit card in the mail. It will come to you loaded with the dollars that you have set aside. It operates just like a credit card. It has the exact amount that you've set aside for the year. You can use that when you go to the doctor and you have a copay. You just hand them the credit card and they will charge your credit card, this credit card, for $30 or $40, whatever your copay is. Same thing goes if you have a prescription. Just hand them the debit card at the pharmacy and your prescription will be paid for. Now you also can elect to choose to pay for your own medical expenses out of your own pocket, whether that be your own personal credit card or a check or cash, and then you can collect the receipts and submit them to Task and they will reimburse you. You can choose to have the reimbursement direct deposit, which is free of charge, or the reimbursement can be a paper check, but there is a dollar fee for that. The only other thing you need to do to run this program successfully is you need to keep your receipts. So you'll set up a folder for the year, have an envelope inside that folder, and keep all your medical receipts. That means co-pays, prescriptions, doctor appointment, you paid a bill for lab work. You want to keep all that in a folder in case you're ever asked to show a receipt. Similarly to health care, we also have a flexible spending account for dependent care. They operate exactly the same for the most part. It's also under Task. The only difference is for health care, you have an annual maximum of $4,000. For dependent care, the annual maximum is $5,000. So if you have dependent care for a child or an elderly person, you can set aside the dollars that you spend on that up to $5,000 a year to pay for that and help pay for that, and the dollars are pre-tax. So it's really a big savings to you and it puts extra money in your pocket. The plan year is the same. It will come out of your paycheck just like a flexible spending for health. It'll be pre-tax. You'll get the same debit card. So if you sign up for both, you're going to have one debit card for both expenses, or you can pay out of your pocket and submit for receipts. The difference between the two is for flexible spending, the dollar for health care, the dollars are put into your account immediately on the first day of the plan year. For dependent care, the dollars are put into your account as you contribute to them. So you can only get refund for the money, get reimbursed, or use your debit card to the extent that you have actually made contributions to your account through your payroll deduction. So another way to look at it, let's say you have $1,500 of annual out-of-pocket health care expenses. And I'm going to say just a tax rate of 33%. That annual savings to you, or the extra dollars to you in your pocket, is $500. Let's say you also had health care, let's say you also had dependent care, and that was, you needed the max of $5,000. At a tax rate of 33%, that will save you $1,650. So when you add the two together, the $500 savings for your health care expenses and the $1,650 for your dependent care expenses, that totals $2,150. And that's a lot of money, and it's not hard to spend these kind of dollars. You can use your flexible spending account for co-pays for office visits. You can use it for your co-insurance portion that you owe, as well as eyeglasses, contacts, dental care, over-the-counter medications such as ibuprofen, aspirin, allergy medications, cold medications, as well as dependent care. The flexible spending account does allow some flexibility, things like dental care. If you know that you're going to be planning ahead and you need a crown or something of that sort, you can actually plan ahead and save the dollars tax-free into your account. For more assistance, go to Your Guide to Benefits. There's detailed information there, as well as you can go to Sequent Connect or call your Sequent Personal Service team.